what's been going on Night Owl. I got the roof painted and got some a little bit of the hood painted. So let's go ahead and take a look at those videos and enjoy. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, check it out. Alright guys, pretty happy with how that hood turned out. Just got to put a clear coat on it now and some black details. I
think I'm going to put those screws black so it kind of looks like they're rivets holding on that red piece. So I think it came out all right. I wasn't quite thrilled with that other hood that I did. It was similar to this with the black in the middle, no red stripe, but I think that red stripe just ties in the hood nicely to the rest of the car. So,
Alright guys, thanks for joining me on Night Owl. Getting that hood painted. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it blends the hood right nicely with the top of the car. So anyways, thanks for joining me on another episode. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one, guys.